Databases. Welcome back to this series of databases. So far, we've looked at how to create a database and create a table in it. At the end of this series, we want to create something like this, where we have transactions here, transactions picking from books and customers. For now, we've only created the books table. The other tables will be easy to create after you've learned this. However, today I want us to appreciate something a bit different. Many people are wondering, why are we even studying this? How come I've never used a database? You've probably used the database before. Let me create another record here. Okay, this is a record. Okay, I told you last time. This one here, One Road to Freedom by Nelson Mandela struggle. That is a one record. I want us to create another record. You can just add this one. Edit this one, record number 3. What should we call it? Maybe we can call it the Tales of the Basement. Tales of the Basement by, maybe we shall say by Eddie Mutwe, and the genre horror. And it is how much? Maybe 150. Let's run this here and see what we get. So it is successful. Let's say again select. Let's run the select statement. There we are. It has been created. However, what you've been seeing on your end has always been something like this. Okay? Something like this, where you enter records here and then the records are captured. So how do these things relate? Now this one here, this interface here, was created by someone we call a front-end developer, and this is what was written here. When you write this tag here called label and put in the word book title, this is what you get. Book title, this one. This is what he has just created there. When you write this word here, label, and say book ID, so label and this label here within, and write book ID, this is what you get. That is a front-end developer. Now, between the front-end developer and the database, there is a guy called a back-end developer to connect the two, to pick this information from here and send it to the database, and maybe pick information from the database to send it back to you. So all the applications you've used, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, there is a database behind where you keep all your information, and then it is displayed back, picked back by the back-end developer. Back-end developer can use different things, rather different languages. It can be PHP. In our example here, we've used PHP. This is what he has done. And when this is the statement here of insert, this is the one he is using here, the very statement that we've used here. So I'm going to upload this information on my YouTube channel. So if you want to create your first interface like this one, go to my YouTube channel. I'll be leaving that information there so that you can create something like this. Let's populate some information within here. We shall say now ID number 4. Click add, and we get this information back. This information has been thrown back to you by some clever guy, again called the back-end developer. It is somewhere here. New book has been successfully added. Let's go to our database and see right now. If we run it, select all from books, ta-da! this information has been thrown into the database by using the front end and the back end. If you found it helpful, like, share, and repost. This is how these channels thrive. Alternatively, you can enroll with us for professional training.